Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Tesla Model 3 key fob. This small device is your primary interface for many vehicle functions. It allows you to effortlessly lock and unlock your car, and even open the front and rear trunks with simple button presses. We will cover each function in detail, ensuring you can maximize the convenience and security your key fob offers. Let's dive right into the specifics of its operation. To lock your Tesla Model 3, simply press the top button on the key fob once. You will hear a confirmation sound and the lights will flash. For unlocking, a quick double press of the same top button will unlock all doors and both trunks, preparing your vehicle for entry. Furthermore, with passive entry enabled, your car will automatically lock itself when you walk away, provided the key fob is with you. Accessing your vehicle's storage is straightforward with the key fob. To open the front trunk, or frunk, simply double-click the button located on the front of the fob. For the main rear trunk, double-click the button on the rear of the fob. Additionally, if you need to access the charge port, hold down the rear trunk button for approximately 1 to 2 seconds, and the charge port door will open. Beyond basic access, your key fob offers advanced functionalities. If enabled, you can activate the summon feature by triple pressing the top button, allowing your car to move autonomously. The key fob is powered by a standard CR2032 coin cell battery, which is easily replaceable when needed. Remember to keep your key fob away from strong radio signals to ensure optimal performance and prevent any potential interference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.